Spike in traffic from East Asia. Running trace.
Confirmed. Pattern matches recent intrusion attempts. Quarantining affected nodes. Massive breach confirmed. It's spreading globally. Eastern Europe is ground zero. We need to... Good. Monitor for secondary vectors. Report any anomalies. Attack vector confirmed. It's spreading globally. Deploy the countermeasure package. Package deployed. Attack neutralized. Monitor for persistence. Team, we're tracking a breach attempt in the European sector. Heighten monitoring. Deploy countermeasure patches deployed. Monitoring for residual activity.
Confirmed breach. Origin is Eastern Europe. Attack vectors are spreading. Deploying countermeasures.
Copy that. Shunting traffic to backup nodes.
Firewalls hold.
Rising. Second vector active. Countermeasures holding. Pressure is rising node. Escalate to end.
Escalating in.
All stations. Active countermeasures. Report anomalies.
Confirmed. East sector spike. Isolating.
Deploy firewall update. Monitor for breach.
Patch deployed. Threat contained.
Good. Maintain vigilance. The maps show coordinated attacks on our infrastructure. They're exploiting a vulnerability in the Pacific. We can deploy patches to those nodes.
Agreed. I'll coordinate with the teams.
Good. Monitor the threats in real time. Attack vectors converging on North America. Deploying countermeasures. Copy that. Firewalls holding, but traffic is spiking. Isolating compromised nodes now. Data. Simulates protocols active. Vulnerabilities patched.
Yes! Breach blocked!
We did it! Systems are green. All clear. Team effort.
And we're freer. Great job, Tier.
Team, new attack vectors. Focus on European nodes.
Copy. Rerouting traffic to the decoy.
Launch countermeasures.
Report status. Holding steady.
Initiating quantum key distribution protocol. Layer 1 complete. Monitoring traffic. Detecting intrusion attempt. Deploying countermeasures. Threat neutralized. All systems savior. Standing by. Attack patterns confirmed. Rerouting primary data flows now. Vulnerabilities isolated. Shifting to secure nodes. Threat neutralized. Network stabilized. Intrusion detected in European sector. Deploying countermeasures. Threat signal now. Countermeasures effective. Threat neutralized in North American secure.
Sentinel active. Running threat sim.
Copy. Watch for anomalies.
Anomaly detected. Reroute.
Confirmed. Secure channels holding.
Threat resolved. System green.
Ramirez, Sector 7 is red. Deploying countermeasures.
Copy initiating. Firewalls up. Threat escalating. Need full lockdown.
Deployed. Monitoring traffic.
Copy. Stay sharp. Thinking.
Confirmed. Undetectable breach attempts are spiking. Origin is...
Deploy the anomaly protocol. We need to lock this down. Active. Containment at 85%.
Breach escalating in Europe. Vectors multiplying fast. Confirmed. Running countermeasures now. Threat level extreme. I clusters. Sims complete. North America stabilizing. Good. Monitor Asia. Confirmed breach. It's spreading fast. Copy. Reroute traffic now.
Threat level is critical. Isolate the sector. Stand lockdowns.
Initiate lockdown. Quarantining now. Firewalls holding. Confirmed. Breach in Sector 7. Activating firewalls. Copy. Shields deploying. Monitor for backdoors. Traffic rerouting. Barriers holding at 90%. Intrusion repelled. Firewalls active. We're clear. Command, we're tracking multiple APT intrusions. Severity is critical.
Copy. Authorize countermeasures. Isolate the segments.
Countermeasures active. Attack cast specs. Expand. Requesting backbone. Hold the line. Attack vector confirmed. Adjusting strength and algorithm. Stand by. Confirmed. 0 day on the EU grid. Escalating fast. Confirmed. Rerouting traffic through secondary nodes. I've activated endpoint scans in the region. Good. Monitor for lateral movement. Threat contained. Reporting to command. Firewalls are bypassed. Threat neutralized. Rerouting traffic now. New intrusion path from Europe to the East Coast. It's escalating. Confirmed. It's hitting the financial sector. Quarantining now. Watch for lateral movement. Good. Keep isolating. Copy that. Intrusions detected in 3 sectors. We need to coordinate. Confirmed. Deploying firewall tracing routes. Sector 2 is spiking. Initiating intrusion protocols. Threat scan complete. No anomalies. Affirmative. All systems secure. Active cyber strike detected. Multiple vectors worldwide. Block it now. Copy that. Firewalls is spiking. Countermeasures. Threats inbound. Firewalls up. Confirmed. Rerouting fences now. There are team. New breach in Sector 7. Deploy deception protocols now. Copy. Firewall chase patch. Monitoring. Initiating cyber defense stress test. Copy. Monitoring traffic influx from simulation ramping up. Load approaching 95%. Capacity verified. Attack signature matches. Deploying countermeasures. Confirmed. Firewalls holding at 95%. Second vector incoming. Rerouting traffic. Threat. Attack vector confirmed. Origin is masked. Deploying need more power. BG attack vector. Malware confirmed. Origin traced to eastern. Team, Sector 7 is under heavy attack. Deploying countermeasures. Sector clear. Monitoring for new threats. This hub is the primary vector. We need to isolate it.
Agreed. Rerouting through the secondary network adds redundancy.
Confirmed. The new protocols are stable. Good. 99.9% grid now. Initiating new defense perimeter. Drawing the primary.
Yes! All systems are secure!
Data flows are green across the board.
Threats neutralized. Perfect defense.
Outstanding work, team. We did it.
Best defense run yet.
Team, the attack is escalating. Focus on the western sector. Threat neutralized. Secure flows at 100%. The anomaly map shows a pattern. I'm isolating the variables. Confirmed. Deploying the pattern recognition simulation to check for vulnerabilities. Simulation complete. The new layer is holding against all threats.